Hello, and welcome to our guide on the basics of auto-enrollment. New legislation has been introduced for workplace pensions, which affects every employer in the UK. This guide will outline the basics of this legislation and put you on the right path to compliance. We will cover what is auto-enrollment and nominating a contact, find out your staging date, choose a pension provider, and your obligations. The law on workplace pensions has changed. Every employer with at least one member of staff must now set up a workplace pension scheme and automatically enrol all members of staff who are eligible. They must also contribute at least the minimum amount towards their pensions. You'll probably have already received a letter from the pensions regulator asking you to nominate a contact. The letter does have instructions on how to do this, but if you no longer have the letter, then you can follow the link on screen. You have the option to nominate two contacts. The primary contact must be someone in charge of the business, such as a director, and the secondary contact can be an advisor, such as your accountant. Each employer will have a staging date, which is the date the new duties come into force for that employer. It's important that you check your staging date at the following link, so that you're ready for it. You'll need the reference from your letter, but if you've misplaced it, you can recover it from the link by entering your accounts office reference number. If you need a copy of your pay-as-you-earn reference number or accounts office reference number, then please get in contact and we'll provide them to you straight away. Then, simply complete the forms and submit online. It's as easy as that. When choosing a pension scheme for auto-enrollment, you must ensure it meets a certain criteria. And it's also important that you choose a scheme that will give your staff a good return on their pension to protect their retirement savings. The government have set up a scheme especially for auto-enrollment called Nest to ensure that every employer has access to a workplace pension scheme that meets all the requirements. You may choose to use the government scheme, or you may want to choose an alternative. We work with a financial advisor who is able to guide you through the process and find the right scheme to suit you. If you would like a consultation with our financial advisor, then please get in touch. You must contribute at least the minimum amount towards the pension scheme, which increases over time. The minimum contributions are shown in the first table. You have a legal obligation to notify every member of staff to tell them how auto-enrollment affects them and to inform them of their rights. Each employee has the right to opt out of the scheme within 6 weeks of enrolment, but they must be automatically re-enrolled every third anniversary of your staging date. This should be made clear to them so that contributions are not deducted. You must also continue to assess your employees' circumstances in case they cross age or earning thresholds that change their rights. They should then be notified of these changes. Well, that's it. We hope you now have a basic understanding of auto-enrollment. Thanks for watching.